Assalamu alaikum. I am Ryan Ahmad. Now I am at Atla village. Uh, People of Atla are very supportive and friendly. They are doing various for us, and starting to in their field. People are cutting their paddies, and people are dyeing their paddy in the field, and that is called in local language gula. And people are really uh, enjoying a great time, and the sky was sunny, and the paddy field of Atla was really great, and Atla has a great bill. People are catching fish in this village, and Atlas people are very meritorious, and the student of Chandapur Tamizuddin High School, they are very supportive to uh, s- uh, pick up this video. I am coming Atla village to speed education among Atlas people. They are storing, they are gathering a lot of stoop of straw, and this is gathering for winter season. And people, whenever the land was flooded, they eating this straw, their cows and domestic animal. Everyone of world and Bangladesh must visit Atla because Atla has a profound beauty.